Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Total War Warhammer 3 campaign. First, select a legendary lord and faction, each offering distinct playstyles and starting positions. You will manage your settlements, constructing buildings to generate income, recruit units, and research technologies. Your goal is to expand your empire, conquer new territories, and ultimately achieve your faction's unique victory conditions. Pay close attention to public order and corruption to maintain stability across your growing domain. When engaging in real-time battles, proper unit deployment is crucial. Position your melee infantry to hold the line, while ranged units provide support from behind. Cavalry can be used to flank enemies or charge vulnerable artillery. Remember to utilize your powerful lords and heroes, as their unique abilities can turn the tide of battle. Breaking enemy morale is often more effective than simply eliminating every unit. Beyond the battlefield, diplomacy plays a vital role. Form alliances with friendly factions to secure your borders or trade agreements to boost your income. Conversely, declare war on rivals to expand your territory. Invest in your settlements by constructing economic, military, and public order buildings. Researching new technologies provides significant bonuses, from improved unit stats to better income generation, enhancing your overall empire strength. For advanced play, consider specializing your provinces. For example, dedicate one province to military production and another to generating wealth. Always keep your faction's specific victory conditions in mind, whether it's conquering a certain number of settlements or completing a unique ritual. Adapting your army composition and tactics to counter diverse enemy factions is key to long-term success and ultimate domination of the campaign map.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.